Hello and welcome to another promotional video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. In this video we'll be showcasing our fresh into stock Renault Twingo 1.6 VVT Rally Sport 1.6 petrol manual. So this is the Twingo Renault Sport, 19,900 miles, very low mileage, a bit of a collector's dream this car, all original. Got the Cup chassis pack, easily spotted by the nicer alloy wheels, in the best colour, super low mileage, 19,900, 11 services, and has had the cam belt replaced at 18,000 miles by the Renault main dealer. Never had any paintwork, beautiful condition throughout, as I say, with the Cup pack, with the chassis pack, with the better wheels. Mint little car. Gentlemen, we've had it in part exchange off. Middle-aged chap, had it in his garage, just a little bit of weekend fun. Bought a Jaguar off us. I'd say all of the owners of this car. Now it does have aircon, does have Bluetooth, aux point to play your music. Spotless throughout. Sports seats, fitted mats, Continental tyres, 2 keys. Superb fun to drive. Really lovely condition, this car. Little classic of the future, this one. Pretty sure this won't devalue if it's kept in this sort of condition and this lovely low mileage. Wants a bit of use but not too much use. Sort of a Sunday fun car, this. I'm sure it won't depreciate, probably slowly creep up in value. 19,997 miles, as I say, 11 services, including the cam belt replaced by Renault. Beautiful little thing, that priced at £7,995. Don't think you find a better one. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other stock, or visit Barclay Motor Company on our social media channels, Instagram or Facebook, or please go to YouTube, where this video will be hosted and all of our car videos are hosted. If you find the Barclay Motor Company YouTube channel, please subscribe, and then you'll be the first person to get a little notification each time we upload fresh stock. Thank you for your time today. Goodbye.